Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create engraving effect on wooden surface. This is especially useful for print-on-demand designers who sell wooden products because this is how you create your mock-up. But in general, if you are a beginner designer or a print-on-demand seller, please do subscribe to my channel because there is a lot of useful information for you. Today we are going to use free design applications called Canva and Photopea, and we are starting in Canva. Let's begin. I am at canva.com and now I'm going to click Create a Design. Here I'd like to choose custom size, and usually I like to start with 1500 by 1500, but you can choose whichever you like. I'm going to click here. And here is my empty template, my surface, where I'm going to be designing on. Now I'm going to upload the picture of the cutting board where I'm going to place my engraving on. So I'm going to click Uploads. And I have already uploaded the picture, but in order to upload yours, you just click Upload Files and find the picture on your computer. So I'm going to click on it. Here it is on my surface. I'm going to make it a bit larger just to see clearer what's going on. For my design, I would like to place a monogram on my cutting board. So I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to search for monogram with the letter M. I'm going to go to Graphics to see what's there. And I like this one, simple, clean, really visible on the cutting board. And I'm also going to place some text inside the monogram. So I'm going to go to Text, click on Add a Heading, and then I'm going to type my text, which is Maria's Kitchen. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that it fits inside the monogram. I would also like to use a different font. So I'm going to use this Futura Bold for this design and adjust the size. You obviously do whatever you want for your design, but I'm just explaining the process, how we are going to create our engraving. Okay, now the design is ready. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color to brown. And the reason for that is because brown color will eventually look better on the wooden surface, because black color might leave some black lines which will be visible, which we don't need. So brown color would work better. Just some basic brown, dark brown color. Yeah, this one will work. And also the same for our text. Now that the design is ready, we need to download this picture. We're going to click on Share, then Download, and then Download again. The picture is being downloaded, and for the second part of our design process, we are going to go on a different website called photopea.com, and I will see you there. So I'm at photopea.com. This is a design application very similar to Photoshop, but it is free to use. I'm going to open the file that I've saved from Canva. For that, I'm going to click Open from Computer. Here it is, our design with the monogram. I'm going to open it, and now I'm going to click on these magnifying tools and find a tool called Magic Eraser. Here it is, I'm going to click on it. And now that I've selected this tool, I'm going to click on the brown color and look what happens. Once I clicked on it, this tool removed the color and we are getting transparent text. And this is exactly what we need. Now we are just going to click on the rest of the brown color and remove all of that, and we are going to get transparent design. So just patiently clicking on the pieces of brown color one by one. And almost done. Yes, and now that it's done, we just need to save our design. Clicking on File, Export As, And here we're going to choose PNG. That's very important because PNG is the format that recognizes transparent color. If we choose different format, the transparent text wouldn't be transparent. So PNG, and then save. Now that we have saved the file, we are going back to Canva. Now we are back in Canva, and next I'm going to upload the picture that I have just created in Photopea into Canva. I'm going to click Upload Files, find the picture with the transparent design, double click, and it's been uploaded into Canva. And we are back to working with our original design. First, we need to delete our design that we have created in brown color. So we just select and press delete, select the text and press delete. Next, I'm going to place our transparent design on top of our original picture. So I'm going to click here and it moves into our original design. So now we have two layers in our design. We have top letter with the transparent design. You can see that you can actually see the bottom layer through our design. And then we have our bottom layer. First, we are going to work with our top layer. I'm going to make it a bit larger, but not so that it covers the whole surface, because we still need to be able to select the bottom layer as well. So we need to be able to click between them. But for now, we are working with the top layer. I'm going to add a little bit of depth into it. For that, I'm going to click Edit, and then I'm going to work with shadows. I'm going to click Shadows and select Glow. You see immediately we have a glow inside of our design, so we can see it more clearly. And now I'm going to play with the settings a little bit. You have to see for yourself how it looks best for you. I think I'm going to increase intensity and decrease the blur amount, and maybe decrease the size as well a little bit. Okay, this looks good to me. We can always return to these settings and work on them more, but for now I think it looks good. And I'm going to work with the bottom layer now. So I'm clicking on the bottom layer to select it. Then I'm going to click Edit again and once more. And here I'm going to click Adjust. We will be playing with color settings for the bottom layer now. These are the main settings that we're interested in. I'm going to start with increasing contrast, I think. Yeah, that looks good. Then I will decrease the brightness and maybe decrease the highlights as well. A bit more shadows. Decrease the whites and increase the blacks. And maybe, yeah. Again, you have to play yourself and see what works best for your picture, because right now we are working with this cutting board, but your surface might be different color, different shade, so your settings might look different, but this is the idea. You just need to make it look like a wooden engraving, like burnt wood. To me, this looks quite good. So I'm going to stretch the top layer now all the way so that it covers the whole surface. All right, a little bit more stretching, yes. Okay, so to me it looks pretty good. I'm quite satisfied with this, so I'm going to download my picture. So share, download, and the picture is being downloaded, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, please do subscribe to my channel. There is a lot of useful information for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.